Good morning, my dear students, and a very warm welcome to all of you. Let us start new topic, elasticity of demand. For the convenience, I divided the topic into five parts. In the first part, we are going to discuss types of elasticity of demand, meaning and types of elasticity of demand. So, what is elasticity of demand? The term elasticity indicates responsiveness of one variable to a change in the other variable. Elasticity of demand refers to the degree of responsiveness of quantity demanded to a change in its price or other factor. According to Professor Marshall, elasticity of demand is great or small according to the amount demanded, which rises much or little for a given fall in price, and quantity demanded falls much or little for a given rise in price. Students, what you have to understand, that there are two variables like price and demand. So when the price changes, demand also changes. There is a response to the change in price to the change in demand. Then it is called as demand is elastic. So when demand is changing according to the change in price, demand is called as elastic demand. It's a very simple thing to understand. When demand changes according to the change in price, demand is said to be elastic. Now let us understand the various types of elasticity of demand. There are three types of elasticity of demand. 1. Income elasticity. 2. Cross elasticity. 3. Price elasticity. Now let us understand income elasticity. It refers to the degree of responsiveness of a change in quantity demanded to a change in income. Now understand, here there are two factors, change in income and change in demand. So one variable is income, other variable is demand. So when there is a change in demand, when there is a change in income, demand also changes, then it is called as income elasticity. So there is no change in price. So price remain unchanged, but income changes and demand also changes. This is called as income elasticity. Now arithmetically the diagram can be, the formula can be EY is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in income. Y is income is equal to this sign is delta, that is change. So change in quantity demanded upon demand divided by change in income divided by income is equal to delta Q upon Q divided by Y upon delta Y. Here delta Y is change in quantity demanded, Q is delta Q is change in quantity demanded, Q is original demand, Y is income, and delta Y is change in income. So when why demand is changing here? Because income is changing. Higher the income, higher the demand. Lower the income, lower the demand. When income rises, demand also changes. When income falls, demand also falls. So this is called as income elasticity. Let us understand second point, cross elasticity. It refers to a change in quantity demanded for one commodity due to a change in price of other commodity. The commodity can be either complementary goods or substitutes. So EC, that is percentage change in quantity demanded of A divided by percentage change in price of B is A is equal to original demand, B is equal to other commodity. So symbolically EC, that is percentage change in quantity demanded of A, is equal to delta QA divided by delta PB is equal to delta QA upon QA divided by delta PB divided by PB is equal to delta QA divided by QA into PB upon delta PB. I'll give you a very simple example over here. Say for example, Limca and Thumbs Up. These are the two substitutes. When the price of Limca goes up and price of Thumbs Up comes down, demand for Thumbs Up is higher and demand for Limca is less. This is what is called as cross elasticity. So when the prices of substitutes are changing, accordingly demand is also changing. For example, price of Rexona is higher, price of Pears soap is less. People will go for more Pears than Rexona. This is what you have to understand. Formulas, you have to by heart them. The third type of elasticity is price elasticity. According to Professor Alfred Marshall, price elasticity demand is the ratio of proportionate change in quantity demanded of a commodity to a given proportionate change in price. That means when price changes, demand changes. Higher the price, lower is the demand. Lower the price, higher is the demand. So demand is changing according to the change in price. This is called as price elasticity. So symbolically, ED is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price, that is change in price. So where Q is the original quantity demanded, delta Q is difference between the new quantity and original quantity demanded. Delta stands for change. Okay, so P is the original price and delta P is difference between the new price and the original price. When we say P, that is original. When it comes delta P, that means change in price. When we say Q, it is original demand. Delta Q means change in demand. So these are the three types of elasticity. Number one type of elasticity is income elasticity, second is cross elasticity, third is price elasticity. So according to the change in income, demand changes, it is income elasticity. Cross elasticity means according to the substitutes, price changes, or according to the change in the price of substitutes, demand changes, it is called as cross elasticity. And price elasticity means when the price changes, demand also changes, that is called as price elasticity. So these are the three types of elasticity of demand. Thank you very much.